In this video, we will detail the contents of the Neoss surgical instrumentation kit. There are two machine screwdrivers which are 24 and 32mm in length. These connect directly to a handpiece or into the manual handle for hand placement. In addition, there is also a short 15mm manual screwdriver. The manual handle is used to convert the machine screwdrivers into hand screwdrivers and also fits into the Neoss ratchet for screw tightening. There is a hole in the top for attaching dental floss. The Neoss ratchet can be set to achieve accurate tightening forces of 10, 20 and 32 Newton-centimetre, as well as an infinity setting. The ratchet will break when the preset torque is reached, but will not break at infinity. It can be used for manual implant insertion with the wrench adapter or screw tightening with the manual handle. The kit contains 4 drill depth guides. During preparation, they can be used after the 2.2 and 3mm twist drill to measure depth and angulation. Then, after implant placement, they can be screwed into an implant to aid in parallelism. There is a hole for attaching dental floss. Implant inserters for implants ranging in diameter from 3.5 to 6.5 come in 3 different lengths and connect directly into the handpiece for machine insertion, or may be used with the wrench adapter for manual insertion. Insertion components are laser marked to indicate and assist when implant orientation or indexing is relevant for placement of the Neoss Aceti-line abutments, which have an anatomical design. In addition, there are 2 implant inserters for the 3.25mm implant, which are identified by the blue band. And finally, there is the drill extender, which is used to extend the length of the twist drills. The open design allows for irrigation water to flow over the drill. Having only 16 components in total, Neoss surgical instruments are made of high-quality steels with advanced surface technologies to provide long-lasting and easily identifiable instruments. They are cost-effective, easy to transport between surgeries, simple to use, logical in their presentation, and save time during setup and cleanup.